super busy night, and I mean, as we were driving in, there was big signs up everywhere saying park full. But it is super busy tonight, and we are desperately trying to find. All the little stalls seem to have shut down, except for the popcorn ones. We're trying to find something to eat and drink so that we can find some. We were going to go and sit down by the Café de la Bruges to do a live, because we thought it'd be nice. We've got pirates in the background and Skull Rock and everything, but we can't find anywhere over there to get anything to eat or drink, so we're coming back over this side. I'm thinking that maybe this will be the best way to come over here and try and find somewhere quiet, perhaps over the back by Mickey's Villa Magic or something like that, sit on a wall round by Nautilus, or just somewhere quiet and we can do it. But I mean, then that won't be much fun for you, so maybe we won't. I don't know, we just need to drink at the moment. but we are very, very quickly. It's 10 to 9 and the maze shuts at 9. So we thought we haven't done it for such a long time, since the girls were here with us when they were younger. So we thought we'd go in the maze and see if we can get lost. And you never know, we might get out before 9 o'clock when it shuts, or we might be in here forever. So which way? Under, over, round? Where are we going to go? Yeah. Yeah, that'd be good if you had a drone, wouldn't it? Oh look, there's a little hidden door. Should we go through there? There's the Cheshire Cat. I have no idea where I'm going. There's another little door. I think we're back where we started. Okay, is that where we came in? We're good at this. So far we've been to the entrance twice. Right, okay. Do we need to go through a little door? I think maybe we do. Let's go through a little door and see what happens. Ugh. This is where I get stuck. Okay, where now? Let's follow these people, they seem to know where they're going. Oh, hang on. We're making progress. Yeah. Right, we're making some progress. I knew we needed to follow those people. They seemed to know where they were going. Yeah. I think we're on a roll now. I say that, but who knows? Still, it's quite cool in here, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so we've got to the Cheshire Cat bit. Cheshire Cat Walk, right. This way or that? Well, who knows? Oh, hang on. I think we're... Oh, I don't know. Is this the right way? Now where? Round here, maybe? Right, so we could go out that way if we wanted, or we can carry on and try to get up here. I remember we came in here one very hot August with the girls when they were young. Was in here for absolutely ages, weren't we? Thought we were never going to get out. Will it be this way? Yeah, we've been that way. Okay. Wrong way again. So is this where we came in? No? Ah. This lady seems to know where she's going. I'm going to follow her. She's walking faster and faster. Yeah, if you want to know which way to go, don't follow us. Oh my God. Does it ever eat? No. Gary's just said he doesn't remember it being this big.
2-minute walk we was there.
Yeah, we thought this would be a quickie. We'll do the treehouse after this as well. We keep getting near it and then further away from it. Are we getting closer? I think we might be getting closer. Oh my word, I think we've actually found it. Yeah, I think we're there. Yay! Yay! It says upward there. Dark. God, even these stairs go on forever. Yay! We're at the top. Oh no, we're not quite. There's more top.
Voglio fare 3 minuti. Io non fare le mani. We can go all the way up there. Yeah, but like,
Huh? Yeah. That was interesting. Yeah, it's very warm up here now. I'm exhausted now.
This is more big than I remember.
Yeah.
It's all in there.
Yeah. Good view.
It's just in front. It's the whole way round.
Yeah. There goes the Petit Train de Cirque. Or Little Thunder Mountain, as we like to call it.
Ouais. À part les toits là-bas, mais bon,
See the tree house from here. It's supposed to be one way up and one way down.
yeah, this the other one's good.
Hi, window.
Gary, exit. Gary's going back in the maze again. Exit. Gary's about to go back round the whole maze again.
Is that?
Yeah. That would have been fun. Oh, well, that's something we haven't done for a long time. There we go. Happy unbirthday. It's my unbirthday today. Is it your unbirthday?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's so humid again. Yeah, so.
No breeze.
There's a fly on my face. I said to Gary, off to the tree house. If I can manage up all those stairs, and then I really need to sit down and have a drink. And we were going to try and see if we could go up to the top of the castle to do a little Insta live for people, but I don't think that's going to happen somehow, because I think they're going to shut it soon, ready for all the, you know, fireworks and whatever. I don't know what time they start kicking people out of there really. So I think treehouse, and then we need a drink and maybe something nice to eat. What do you reckon?
Yep.
And there it is, Pirates of the Caribbean. That is completely shut. Broken Gary's heart, that has.
Huh?
Broken your heart, hasn't it, love?
Yeah, that's got a bit weird that going, isn't it?
Yeah, it has felt strange.
One of the first ones.
That has usually been one of our first rides and one of our last rides normally, isn't it? And it's always a late at night, quick get on Pirates. That's always been Gary's thing. Just hope we can come back one day, because I don't think Gary's going to cope without a POTC fix, are you? No, it's what keeps him going. Right, okay, treehouse. Yay! Oh look, how to keep a small boy happy. Treehouse, Pirates and Nautilus, and he's a happy bunny. And this time, 2 out of 3 he can't do. Last time it was Treehouse and Nautilus. So he needs to be able to do all 3 to make him happy. Look at him, he's such a big kid. Are you happy now? Happy now? Oh, and finally, the descent. Oh. Oh, little duck's tired. He's having a little sleep. He was until Gary disturbed him. Just realised we haven't even walked this way yet. We might have done it once. Oh yeah, I think we've done it once because we came past there, didn't we? Oh. We're desperately looking for somewhere to get a drink, and oh, you can't go that way now. Oh, okay, we're being rerouted. This is because of the fireworks, isn't it? So we're now being rerouted this way. Aladdin's passage. You haven't been up his passage for a while, have you?
No. It's a bit warm for that.
So we just finished our live from Videopolis, and thank you to everyone who joined us on that. And typically, just literally as we hung up from the live, all the lights came on outside. We showed you the scenery, and literally as we hung up from it, all the lights come on. So we are now just going on to Star Tours for the last ride and walk on again. So oh, it's cold in here. Definitely got the aircon on in here. That's only 5 minutes, is it? Or is it?
Découvrez d'incroyables sensations grâce à la expérience sensorielle. C'est le panoramique pour venir et la galaxie. Et cette unique dimension startling.
Last ride of the night of Star Tours. It's all pretty here now, with all the lights on, and bars everywhere. And now we've left it so late, we've got to try and fight through the crowds to get out the fireworks, so we can go home and pack.
It's a bit busy.
Yeah, that looks somewhat rammed, but yeah, I mean I like watching the fireworks. Gary's not so keen, but it's we have seen them a lot of times before, so he prefers to get on the rides during that time. Right, I think I'm going to have to put you away for a bit. I think this could be difficult. And that's it, as they say, that's a wrap. I said that's a wrap.
It is.
Sorry, Gary's panicking at the moment. He's panicking, he's doing the whole, we need to get out of here before the crowds, or we'll be stuck with them all, we'll never get out, and we've got to pack, and he's gone into end of holiday panic mode, where he's panicking about the packing. Not that he does it, I do it. And I said to him, well, you just go to bed and I'll do it anyway. that's it. This momentous moment when we walk through this exit for the last time. For who knows when. That's it. And we're out. And when will we be back? Who knows? Do you know? No? Watch this space, I suppose is all we can say. Right, I'm going to say goodnight to you now because we are going to make our way back and jump in the car, get back. I'm probably going to stop and do a little bit of packing, and then tomorrow we're going to try and see if we can have a little bit of a swim for an hour before we're going to pack the car and then try and have a swim just before we head off. So rather than try and get into parks for an hour, we have got a slightly earlier train than we normally get because we thought, thing is, when you're leaving you might as well leave. If we were going to get one that was an hour later, there's no point really. You might as well just get the one that we're, you know, get up and get going sort of thing. But yeah, we said we'll try and swim for an hour, try and have a wander around, and yeah, thanks for watching. And as I say, if you were one of the many that joined us tonight for the lives, thank you very much. Never done that before on Instagram. We thought we'd give it a go, and I think we managed it. So thank you very much for joining us. Hope we didn't moan too much. And as usual, be kind to each other, look after each other, and we'll catch you tomorrow.